Hi guys, so we did check out of the hotel and then we came out to have some food. So we're just going into a shake shack to have some food. But look at these trees behind me. This is amazing. And it is still raining just a little bit. It's not a lot. So hopefully when we go to Hoover Dam after this, if it's not raining, then it will be fun. Let's see. Alright guys, so that's our first stop, just coming down that way, and this is the first scenic lookup on the Hoover Dam. It's still raining a little bit. This is the situation here. That's where the lake is. Alright guys, so we are here at the Hoover Dam. We just parked at lot 10. We entered one side and then we drove entire Hoover Dam and went to the other side of the Hoover Dam. And then from there I'm starting the vlog so we can walk back all the way and then we can exit from there too. So I'll show you guys the Hoover Dam on music now. Yeah, it's really windy today. So there you go guys, enjoy. It's not quite loud here because of this mountains right here. The wind's kind of getting blocked, so I thought I'll talk. So what we're gonna do is like we're gonna walk through this whole dam over here, but there was like few scenic look outside when we entered. We probably won't do that, but I'll show it to you. There's another bridge over here. It takes you right over there, and then you guys can see like right there. There they have like tours and all of that facility here, but we're not gonna use any of them. So first we're gonna check out like this side and then we'll cross over to the other side, which is kind of the main, and that was the bridge I was talking about. So you can come walking down that way, then you can have a view from that side, so you can see the whole bend over here. But yeah, so we started like walking down that way, and we're just coming down and going towards the dam that side. There you go, guys. So that's the Hoover Dam operations right there. So I just wanted to quickly come on this side. There's less wheat, but if you can see, there's a building like right down there. That's where all the exhibits are.
Walking up, step by step, feel the wind, take a breath. Rocks and trees, sky so wide. On this path, I take my ride. Mountain high, I'm climbing slow. Through the rain, through the snow. Step by step, I won't back down. At the top, I see the town. Morning sun.
So it's like getting really dark, and you guys can probably see there's a lot of snow behind me, and it's still falling. I'm just doing a video outside here. So basically, I think we'll have to cancel Grand Canyon. We'll probably try to stay in Page and then do the Horseshoe Bend tomorrow, and then head back towards Vegas or something like that. So I don't know what we will decide or what we will do, but I will let you guys know. So let's hope for the best. We did not expect this weather, so not sure what's gonna happen now, but this was not expected and not something that we planned for. The weather looked really good when we booked this whole thing, but looks like the nature doesn't want us to get there.